This could be the end of this game. I spent about 7 hours on it. No more. Probably more. It's a good game altogether. Uh, Bored, so recording more. What do you want? What does he want? You excited for the party? Yeah, awesome. By the way, Sybil just messaged me he won't come. He said that he needs to prepare something important. What a workaholic. It's on the annual mushroom. How come he gets a freaking day? I want a day after me. Anyways, go shower and make a good impression for our guests to see you in a few hours. Alright, a few hours and 27 minutes later. You're late. Oh well, better late than never. Have to introduce yourself to the guests. So, it's already night. What does that mean for me? Can I water you, Father? Oh, I know you. Nice party. I know you, and you, and you. I know everybody here. I don't like you. Oh, I don't like you.
What is up?
What? Don't look at me like that. I want to tell you a story. Every year during the Mushroom Festival, someone falls victim to the ferocious monster mushroom. No, no, no. I already had trouble with September, please. It cuts them open and takes their innards, feeds on them, and impales its victims' dead bodies with the log. How fun! Doesn't he just seem like a fun guy to hang with? I'm not making this up. I got it from Stone Steve. Of course, he gave it to you. I mean, it's in his name. If I were you, I would be cautious this night. What? Uh, Hi, Mr. Mushroom. That was strange. Alright, whatever. Alright, I did this. Yes, we make a good impression as possible. It would really help our reputation. I can't take it away. I can take it away from here, though. It's late. You shouldn't stay up. Good night. Don't look for monsters. You are so self-aware. I don't like you. Later that night, already to the content. Let's go. I'm already to the content. Nothing can stop me anymore. All right. You can still hear the music. All right. Ah! What the? What the frick? What? Uh. Oh! Good lord! Oh, good lord! Oh, good lord! What does that mean? I need more batteries. Those guys. I can't. Oh, I go for this guy. I can't. I can't. Ah, good lord! Stop! Stop! Wait, hold up. I have a theory. Minimap. It shows it on the minimap. Oh, good lord. Please just let me do something. Good lord. Needy much? Yes, you are very needy. Good Lord. So is this like the final boss? Since this is the only person appearing right now. Pretty easy if you had to say so myself. Oh yeah. Okay, well. Oh, you love the front door, don't you? Um, you gotta go get batteries. Oh, click and hold to use watering can. What? Oh, 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 oh! Wait, wait! Stop! Wait, I didn't understand. Oh, 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 oh my God. That is, that was so stressful. Was that the final boss? Am I done with this game now? Can I? Seems like the case is closed. Oh, yes, they got him. Wait a minute. Oh, that's not him. That's, it's not Seabill. Gotta get Seabill. Mr. Bungle built the robots caused terror of the night, therefore he is guilty. He doesn't even have hands. I'm sorry for the false accusation, Mr. Top. No problem. I get it a lot. I feel like you had the wrong person, Mr. Frog Sword. Quiet veggie. He doesn't, he doesn't have hands sometimes. I call that 100% true. There's no doubt that a weirdo like you would commit all these crimes. Mr. Chop, I will be back soon. I'm not only a cop, but a tax collector too. Come with me, Mr. Fungal. A tax collector is crazy. Well, would you look at that? Maybe we're lucky. That mushroom will spill the beans about chippers and bro, it's not him, I don't think. It seems most worked out. Although, look how happy I am. Look at my grin. You're right. Work needs to be done, probably. However, there is one thing that I need you to do before you can dive straight into the wonderful task. Sibo just wrote me a letter that he's terribly sorry for not showing up. He said that he prepared something during the party and it'd be worth it. He wants you to meet him 600 feet under. That's not. No, he wants to kill me. What could that mean? Or he wants me down with the mines or whatever. Go find him. It's not really worth messing with the party of the century. I just want to talk about what I just experienced. Thumbnail material. That's what I experienced. All right, let's go. So 600 feet under. He's got. I mean the rave party, or it could mean the ocean. I'm not trying the ocean though because I have horrible experience with that, and I despise the ocean because I spent 5 years of my life doing that. Not really, but still. Yeah, gotta be down here, right? Let me just do something real quick. Sorry, that's copyrighted, and I don't feel like getting copyright strikes. Look, was this open before? No. The answer is no, it wasn't. I'm going out. I'm going. These are all the triple maps. One, two, and crazy three in Seaville's lair. I knew he was a bad guy. Story? Destroy? Destroy. Oh, this doesn't look good. Weird. The first time we get him like anywhere like this. This is the machine from Steel's stories. He's evil. He's evil. I'm telling you, he's evil, bro. Click, 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 click. Anything? Keyboard. Come fight me, Seagull. I've been kidnapped. I didn't mean it, I swear. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Seriously, how dumb are you? You actually went to my oil rig and let. Yeah, see? And now you follow me this far down without context because you think I'm a good guy? Naive. You want answers, right? Well, you probably saw a triple mass on your way here. I built them and programmed him to cause terror in the upper world at night. But your beavers, darts, jail, death, being trapped in this factory. Really everything. I came to the conclusion that the best solution was to lure you down here, and that was easier than I thought. Bro, I tried to leave. He wouldn't let me. Don't worry. I won't just kill you off. You're trapped after all. What can you do? Use your watering can? Now that you know the truth, anyway, I'll just tell you the whole story. Do you have any idea how hard it is to keep a secret like that? Um, I might introduce myself after all. I am not Sibyl. What? I'm his twin brother. That's a plot twist.
Bob.
Thanks for telling me. Sibo's brother, Sibob me. A few years ago, I wasn't doing so well. I made robots for a living, and but wasn't able to sell any of them. I would have bought them. My brother saw the potential in me, and being a good bro as he was, he offered me partnership. But he wanted to take the spotlight, and back then, I thought that this was fair enough. At least I got paid. I worked down there in secret like the other engineers, making plans and building robots. But Siebel's ego soon took over. He didn't see me as a brother, more like one of his employees. I just wanted to experience what it felt like to be a star, at least for a moment. So what'd you do to him? I'm not gonna be see. Then I created the special robots, Summer Crab and the others. Uh-huh. But the people weren't ready for an evolution like that. They were scared, and Siebel Industries was in bad. What the heck is that? Sibo got angry with me, so he fired me and told me never to come back. There's something behind him, and I think that's the mushroom. How could he do this? How could my bro do this to me? I seek revenge, so I built this machine called Destroy. I destroyed everything. What a mystery it was. I hid the machine and came out to visit the remains of the house, and people saw me. They thought I was him, and I knew this was my chance. In the past years, I pretended to be him. Yeah, but why attack me? What I do? When Tyke let you out, I already knew you. The first thing you were doing was to explore every nook and cranny. Look at him. Look at him. He's creepy now. Not that, but that. Look at him. That's creepy. You beavers always snooping around. Your focus the worst, Mike. You probably knew all along that I'm a shady person, and now you're going to starve down here. Also, I will make sure your parents join you very soon. All beavers must be cleared from this island. You're racist. No, it didn't put me in the con. No. I have been dropped in a con. Mike, is that really you? Yeah. Who's this? Old man? Hello, old man. No, wait, Chipper. Wait, Chipper. Grandpapa? You look older. You look like your father, like a beaver. Didn't you eat grandma? Why'd you eat grandma? Wait, is that grandma? Is that grandma? It was a, it was a, it was a few years ago that I stumbled across the tree from behind Seabound, and he trapped me here before I was able to spill beans. He trapped a lot more people here who came close to finding out, actually. I don't know how long I've been down here. I was hoping someone would find me, and now you actually did that, and we're trapped together. That's not good. What? You think everything will turn out well? What makes you think that? Tiki Tiki, the Tiki Tiki Celestial guy. Ta-da! I followed you down here in the cave, saw the whole thing. See Bob has to be stopped. He wants to take your parents. He has no remorse. All he wants is his secret to be safe, and he thinks that he can achieve that by killing off the Beaver family. What a fool that he is, though. Now, go. Take this exit. Bro, Celestial guy came into clutch? What now? Oh, wait, no. What? How? Well, challenge accepted. It's been a long time since I used this machine properly. Let's see if this baby still works as good as when I told my brother. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Step up. All right. Dude, no way. What do I do? Shoot. Shift. Oh, oh, I love this. It's like Space Invaders. I'm riding on the back of a Celestial. How cool is that? I'm shooting stars. How was I supposed to dodge that? Whoa! Oh, now. Whoa, now. Okay, I suck. Understood. I'll take that, though. Whoa, why are they following me? Dude, I'm gaming. I'm gaming really good. I'm a gamer. Oh, that was a risky move I did. Oh, it's getting destroyed. I'm winning. I'm winning. It's the chip things. It's the chippos. Ow, stop. I built use. I can destroy use too. You're going down, Z-Bob. Oh, gosh. All right, boy. This is harder than it looks. Try to get that heart. Yeah. Ooh, dude, Chipper having the time of his life, bro. He's having the time of his own life. Okay, bro. Can you die? Please, I don't. No, 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 no. What? What? You know what they say? Second time's the charm. All right, boy. See what you can do. Dance. Let's dance, boy. That's fine. That's fine. That's all right. Haha. All right. Watch him weave. Yeah. What you gonna do now? Bang. Oh, yeah, these guys. Ow! He's too good, bro. Your designer just too good. All right, let's go, bro. Don't hold him back. Dodge. I did not dodge that, but that's alright. Wait, when do I have to... Oh, God. We... Give me that. We're going down, boy. Okay, you know... Okay, stop getting hit. Yes! Yes! Second try. Second try. It's the charm, like I said. Oh, not this again. Oh my gosh. Let's go. I brought your dad back. You have to be proud of me now. Mike? Wait, father? Dude, look at him. Oh, he's all bruised up. Ah, you beavers are always in my way. Mike, time to go down. I mean, up. Oh, no. Oh no. Yeah, get him, Celestial. Wait, what? Oh, I clicked. You're going down, my good sir. This man's got my back. You just kick him. Dude, this it's work. I've had it with you. Let's see how well you take this. Oh. He died. Dude, we would have been dead without this guy. Wow. You didn't even teach me that. No. No. I see. I've made a mistake then. I'm terribly sorry, Mr. Fungal. It's okay. Sorry for being such a weirdo. But no, you're not. You're just defying the laws of physics at this point. So it looks like everything's been cleared up. We know who was behind the chipping mats attacking us and the missing people. Although remains a mystery where the other robots came from. Yes, but the mystery is to be cleared. Okay, true. It's not like any lore has been taken more than 5 years. Okay, okay, hitting that pat real fast, aren't you? Real fast and hard. I'm leaving now. If anyone needs me, I'm gonna be on in the underground disco. The DJ is running it now, so maybe it won't be as expensive. I still get free access. We should go to bed. No, or do you have other plans, Mike? Mike, I've become the villain. Well, I do believe that was Tyke and Sons Lumberco. What an amazing game. I just, so this game is super well done. And I feel the the game is underrated. I feel like I've never heard of this game until like a month ago. No, not a month ago, like a year ago. I never played it or really did anything because it sounded boring. But I started playing it and holy crud, it's got a lot of grinding aspects, but it's a game definitely worth playing. It is free as well, so that's even better. It's 2 years, 1 year. How long do you say you did it? It's special. Everyone listening, that's funny. So um, he took all that time and he signed up this guy's Buster from Project Game Club. Uh, um, he took all this. I stole him. He took. Stop! I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to like speak and all that. Take that, Mister, for stealing my character, Captain Spit. Oh my God. Okay, just so he took 2 years, 1 year to make a game, and it's free, and it's also based on that. And it's all free. It's good, good game for free. You're welcome, man. Thanks for having me. All right, but that's my spiel. No, I hope this isn't copyrighted. Amazing game, amazing. Could probably use a little bit of work from mini games and all that, because some of them are high, some of them are a bit hard. Translate. But overall, good game. I don't know. Yeah, well, so am I. But I'm still trying to speak for him. Bye. So overall, wonderful game. I don't know what's coming up next. I feel like it's just gonna be like a short one-off game, but whatever it is, I'll be ready. 7 hours. 7 hours. Oh my God. All right. So that was extras. How to do extras. Hold up, hold up. I wanna throw something in the world. You can visit Grandpa. I'm the captain for you. Is it chipper? Bedtime. What's this? They've got a custom night. All right. Should I try it? I know what these guys do. Dude, they can, this guy, Phantom Chippomat. This is the guy who keeps killing me or scaring me. Oh my lord. All. Alright, I'm gonna do all of them because I feel like it's actually really easy. Being attracted to the living room lights, he will sometimes leave his main spot. If you find him absent from the bedroom, turn off all the lights in the living room until he stops. If you hear him running up the stairs, well, maybe there's more content I can make a video on. His location on the map, don't run into him. Location on the map, location. When you hear him revving his chainsaw, run away to avoid contact or turn off the living room lights. He appears, flash him, collect the lumber. All right, I got this. 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 All right. So I'm gonna go over here. Oh yeah, see these guys are marked on the map. I can't run into them. That's the robot, right? We don't talk about that. No, we don't talk about that. But that was Chipper and Sons. No, no, not Chipper. Tyke and Sons. Shut up. Uh, mm, Probably not in that video. I don't know. Maybe I found one of this video on this. For now, I'm signing off and goodbye.